Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on Vivo Y200. If you are using Vivo Y200 and now you want to hide your apps, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for privacy and security or password and security, just select it. Then further scroll down, you'll get privacy and app encryption. Select it. Then select or do password or fingerprint. Then select app hiding. Here you have to enable the app hiding feature for the app if you want to hide, and I'm going to hide this one, so just enable it. Then you have to look for this gesture which is view hidden apps. Just enable this first and then read what is this. You just have to swipe up with two fingers on the home screen to view the hidden apps. So go back, go to home screen, and you have to swipe up with your two fingers. So let's see how. Just swipe it up and you'll get this type interface. Just verify yourself and then you'll get the hidden apps folder. You'll get all of your hidden apps here. So that's how you can easily hide your apps on UI 200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.